Hey everybody, let's talk about the not logical operator, which is represented by an exclamation point. Within a condition, it's typically used to reverse a condition's Boolean value. A condition that is true, that's preceded with the not logical operator, becomes false. If it's false originally, it becomes true. It gives us a few additional ways to write code. Here's an example. We have variable temperature, temp for short, and I'll set this to 15 degrees Celsius. If I would like to check to see if it's warm or cold outside normally, I could write an if-else statement. If temp is greater than 0, then it's warm outside. It's warm outside. Else, it's cold outside. Currently our temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. It's warm outside. If it was negative 15, it's cold outside. Using the not logical operator, we can write this code a different way if we choose to. We can check to see if the temperature is not greater than 0. So to do so, we will surround this condition with a set of parentheses and precede this condition with the not logical operator, an exclamation point. In plain English, we're checking to see if our temperature is not greater than 0. So that would mean it's cold outside, right? Else, it's warm outside. So taking our same temp of negative 15, it's cold outside. If it's 15, it's warm outside. Now let's do this with a Boolean variable. Let sunny equal true. If, with a Boolean variable, if you would like to place it within a condition, all you have to do to check if it's true is just write the name of the Boolean variable. If sunny. So you don't necessarily need if sunny equals true. If sunny is true, then it's sunny outside. Else, it's cloudy outside. Currently, sunny is true, therefore it's sunny outside. If I would like to check if it's not sunny outside, I can precede this Boolean variable with the not logical operator. And you don't necessarily need to surround it with those parentheses if it's a Boolean variable. If it's not sunny, well then it's cloudy outside. Else, it's sunny outside. Sunny is true, it's sunny outside. If it's false, it's cloudy outside. So by using the not logical operator, it gives us a few additional ways in which we could write code. More versatility is a good thing. So yeah, that's the not logical operator. It's typically used to reverse a condition's Boolean value. If a condition is true, it's now false. If it's originally false, it's now true. And that is the not logical operator. Hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.